Want to watch free local channels on your Samsung Smart TV in 2026? Here's exactly how to do it. Let's go. Step 1. Grab a digital HDTV antenna and plug the coaxial cable firmly into the ANT-in port on the back of your Samsung TV. Step 2. Press the home button on your remote, then go to source and make sure TV is selected, not HDMI or any other input. Step 3. Now go to Settings, All Settings, General and Privacy Broadcasting Auto Program. Step 4. Hit Start. You'll be asked to choose your signal source, select air for antenna, cable for a cable box, or both if you have both connected. Step 5. Let your TV scan. This takes a few minutes. Don't unplug the antenna while it's scanning. Step 6. Once it's done, hit Close. Your local channels are now saved and ready to watch. Step 7. Use the channel up-down buttons or open the TV guide to browse what's live and what's coming up. Pro tip. If you're missing channels or getting weak signal, move your antenna closer to a window or to a higher spot. That alone can make a huge difference.